Welcome back to 3-Day Weekend. I am back with the Pro doing some maintenance on it because it was due. And I've discovered the source of one of my clunkings up front. This bushing inside of that shock. That is no good. We're looking at fixing that today. Let's do it. I noticed on this I could move the whole arm up and down, and this eyelet was moving inside of the shock, and you can see that's all, what do you call that, wallered out. It's oval. It's no longer round. Even if I threw a new bushing in, it's going to wear the exact same way. Have you ever seen a bushing wear that much? Look at that. Wow. All the way through. So, according to the manual, yep, you're done. Throw the shock out, get some new ones. Psh, easy. Well, those are stupid expensive. So I got a hold of Walker Evans, and they sent me a package, which is all the way over there. And here it is. And they said, no, your shock's okay. You need to replace the eyelets. We have this new upgraded bearing style bushing here. And we just need to put these new eyelets on your shocks. Okay, that sounds easy enough. I don't know if it's going to be easy enough. Step one, I need to remove the shocks from the vehicle. And we're going to power wash those things because they are disgusting and they're hard to work on, really. So that one out already, obviously. There's another one up top, kind of a pain to get to. I'm going to take this whole thing outside. We're going to power wash it, and then I'm going to let it dry before we start by removing this eyelet, which means I have to take the springs off. Fun. Well, at least one of them, so we can get this all loosened up, and then we have to turn this off of it. So that, I don't know how it's gonna go. I did buy a new tool to help me with that, so we'll get that fired up here in just a minute. But I'm gonna remove these the old-fashioned way with an invention that I made a while ago, which worked, but is extremely dangerous. But it worked, and I have all my fingers. So, but first steps, I gotta get this off and get them cleaned up. Shocks are cleaner than they were. I have to take the springs off, but before I do that, I gotta get these little bump stops slid down. I've run into issues with that before, and they are stubborn sometimes. So I gotta get those down so that I can get these caps off once I get the springs compressed. Go ahead. Yep. Tap again. That.
That's gonna go. It's like a loaded gun.
Yeah, it is. Tap it again. A little more. Stop.
That's gonna go.
She's loose.
Please don't tell me you're gonna hammer that. Whew. Something off?
Down a little bit more. Zip.
That's it, that's it. That's as far as I can go until that compresses. Alright, going back up.
Yep.
Catch that.
Keep going. Oh. Yep.
Whew. That was scary. That's it. Is that it? No.
A little more. Stop. Oh, she caught on the latch. That's what this problem is. Go up a smidge. Yep.
Alright, going down.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Go ahead.
Please back up.
Yep.
Bros just about sideways.
It's fine. It's fine.
We need to adjust.
It's fine.
Alright, going up.
Go up. To the vise. These are special aluminum jaws, so it won't damage the shaft. Hopefully, allegedly. Time will tell. Now we're going to heat this thing with a heat gun. So I hear there's red Loctite in there. Now we're going to throw a crescent wrench on there and try to unscrew it. Simple enough. Red Loctite. And it bottomed out. Okay. Well, that one's done. There are no marks on that shaft at all, not a faint scratch, nothing. So the aluminum jaws definitely worked. So you're just weak?
Shut up. It's all about the footing.
There you go. You can probably kill the heat now.
So much gunk coming out of it.
That's red Loctite.
No, it's not Loctite. That's powder.
That's red Loctite powder.
I think that's good. Just all over.
Yeah, all over the threads. That'll work.
Or like a car wash. So, that's not bottomed out.
Is it?
Is it? I don't know. You want to talk about it?
Yep.
That was
That's
easy.
it. It's done.
I think we're good. Come on. Please don't blow yourself up. We on? Yes.
Back up.
Going back up. Okay.
Yep.
Let's go. Just gotta do that one more time.
Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Stop, stop, stop.
A lot of noise is happening.
Up.
Going up.
Hold up. Hold up.
Hold up.
Go up. Got it. Well, that wasn't a terrible job. But did I even show close how bad that? I can't believe how much that wore through. It's crazy. But it's done. I wish I had the correct shock, spring, compression tool, but we made do with what we had. And that is a job done, which should take care of a pretty big rattle I had going on in there. All right, we're done. Next job. Well, that's going to do it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every viewer and every subscriber, especially you members. You guys are amazing, and we really appreciate the support. As long as you're here, leave us a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything, but really helps us out a lot. Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I reply to every comment I get. But in the meantime, thanks again for watching, and I hope I'll see you here for another video on 3-Day Weekend.